Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I'll be explaining how to create a simple theme toggle feature using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's dive right in. So first look at the HTML code. We will write here its title, light and dark theme. Now we will create here a div with the class of theme toggle. Inside this div we'll add the two buttons. The first button will be with the ID of dark btn and second button it should have the ID of light btn. Next I'm going to my favorite browser, it is Chrome. I'll search here cd and JS. Now I'll search for font awesome. I'll copy its link tag and paste it here inside the head section. Now we have font awesome link tag, so we can use font awesome icons. And the first button we will add a moon icon, and the second button with the ID of light btn we will add the sun icon indicating the light mood and the moon icon indicating the dark mood. You can see the result here. These are the two buttons with icons. Now let's go back to the code editor. Below this we'll add the h1 tag with the text of welcome to our website. Next let's move on to the CSS. We'll create here the style.css file and I'll link that file here in the head tag. Inside the head tag href is style.css. Now it's linked successfully. Now we start by styling the body. Let's make it side by side, snap to left, and that should be snap to right. Now you can see the result here side by side. So first we are making the body a flex container. Next let's arrange the flex items in a column. There should be a flex direction to column. Align items center. This center the flex items horizontally. Now it's time to style these buttons. Inside the theme toggle we have button, actually two buttons. We'll style both. Its border should be none and background will be transparent. Its font size will be 2 rem. Now you can see here, and cursor will be pointer. When we hover on it, it should be a pointer. You can see. Now let's start the styling for the light button. It will be display none. Now we'll create a new file with the name of script.js. Here inside the HTML body, at the bottom we'll add the script source script.js. Now let's look at the JavaScript. First we'll declare a const variable with the name of dark btn and assign it document.getElementById, and it is the dark btn. It selects the dark button. Now I'll declare the next variable const light btn. This will be document.getElementById and select the light btn. Now I'll declare the third variable with a body and assign it the document.body. It selects the body. Now here I'll add the click event listener to the dark btn. Dark btn.add event listener, it should be click in a fat arrow function. Inside it I'll set the body.classList.remove light. This removes the light class from the body. Next, add a body.classList.add the dark. This adds the dark class to the body. Now in style.css we'll add some styles to the body.dark. This is the class list that we add in the JavaScript. Style it, its background color will be that, and a dark mode, and its color will be this. And for the body.light, when in the light mode, the body color will be, body background color will be this, and the text color will be 34495E, this. Okay. Now when we click, you can see now it is still the moon. We will hide this and add the sun icon instead of the moon in the dark mode. So the dark btn is display none, and the light mode, that style that display will be block. Now when I click on the moon, you can see its sun. Now I'll add the click event listener for the light btn. It should be click and a fat arrow function. Inside this, I'll add the body.classList.remove the dark. It will remove the dark mode from the body, and it will be add the light class list to the body. And light btn should be displayed to none. It is the sun icon. It should be display none on the light mode, and the moon icon will be display block. Now let's check it out. Now when I click on the moon icon, it is dark. When I click the sun icon, it's changed to light mode. But one thing that it is instantly changing the theme. Now I wanna add it some cool animation. Its transition will be background color and it will be 0.3 second ease. Now when I click on the icon, now it's smooth, you can see it, it's smoothly changing. This sun icon color is black, it didn't look good on the dark mode, so let's change its color. Here body dot dark, it means on a dark mode. The light VTN icon, its color will be a yellowish color. And that's it. With this simple code, you can easily toggle between dark and light themes on your website. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.